अंडर व्हाट सर्कमस्टेंसेस डू बूट्स गेट ऑन द ग्राउंड? हमारे लोग या उनके लोग अंदर बाहर बॉर्डर पे, मतलब उस टाइप का वॉरफेयर का कोई स्कोप है, या इज इट टू लेट फॉर दैट? लाइक अब वो वाली लड़ाइयाँ होती नहीं, अब हम लोग ड्रोन से
You
लड़ेंगे.
see, it all depends on the next move that Pakistan makes. It all depends on the next move. You know, there's an escalation ladder now clearly defined. Step one, escalation ladder, Pahalgam. Step two, hit on the 9 terror camps. Step three, Pakistan attacks 15 military targets, fails dismally. But that it failed does not take away from the fact that it has climbed that escalation ladder. We can't ignore it. It is hitting military targets. We can take it as a damn good thing. Why? Because it gives us the justification now to hit Pakistani military targets. The only way to impose deterrence is by hitting military targets, headquarters, ISI in Pakistan. Only way to make them cry uncle and stop this nonsense. The real power in Pakistan is the army. The real decision makers are the army. The real terrorist masters, puppet masters are the army. You want to hit terrorism, then you have to hit the Pakistan army.
No.
They have given you a carte blanche.
No, I get that.
Maro.
But matlab, foot soldier warfare, is that a possibility?
Excellent. So far, the war is confined to drone warfare, air warfare, right? And possibly naval warfare if that rumor is right.
Right.
We've addressed the naval flank.
Yes.
Right? So it is all just
Weapons.
with the gizmos, high-tech warfare. You know, no boots on the ground involved as yet, except for artillery firing across the line of control.
Right.
But for how long?
Yes.
That is the point. Now, one school of thought is the escalation ladder will go up, one matrix of possibility.
Yes.
You see, we work on matrix of possibilities. One matrix of possibility is that keep escalating up the ladder because Mullah Munir, if he doesn't escalate, he is dead. The Pakistani mobs will lynch him. The Pakistani army will do a coup.
Yes.
You see?
There was rumors of that too last night.
And there are very strong rumors of that happening. Ye
Yes.
invisible ho gaya hai. This man is scared. I've not seen a chief go dive into a bunker. I've not seen a chief who sends his family to United States.
The soldiers generally come forward and lead from the front. The soldier mentality is that.
And when, you see, when the Kargil war was on, General Malik, VP Malik, was on the battlefront, on the forward lines almost every second, third day. Half the war he was there. He was the army chief. But you know, good, great soldiers, Guderian, Manstein, they get to the front. Rommel, they lead from the front. There are no Rommels in Pakistan. There are no Rommels in Pakistan, and that's why they are in problem. They are running business empires. Bajwa retired with 1,200 crores neat.
Right.
This man already has 1,200 crores. He's not retired.
Right.
And he has no intentions of retiring. His brother-in-law holds half the realty in Rawalpindi. He owns half of Rawalpindi.
Right.
This is what happens in Pakistan.
Right.
The difference between us and them is we are military professionals. They have become
Military dictators.
Traders.
Yeah. Traders. No, but to sir, again, two questions I still want clarity on. One of them is, under what conditions are boots on the ground possible, or if that's not going to happen? And help me imagine a scenario where we come to a close with this. Like, what happens towards the end? Yes.
How
Those
do
two
we
questions.
get closure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, question number one, will there be boots on the ground? If there are boots on the ground, it will be full-scale war. Is Pakistan ready for a full-scale war? I told you the war wastage rates were 7 to 10 days, now down to 5 to 6.
Right.
Does their Air Force have enough aviation turbine fuel? 5 days. The moment boots are on the ground, we will blockade Karachi.
Yes.
Not one drop of fuel will get through. Not one round of ammunition will get through by the sea route. ठीक है, sir? Then you are done for. You've extended the war. You've bought lot more casualties on our side also, on many more on your side. ठीक है? And you've spelled disaster, kaput, Pakistan. Will he do it? I have my doubts. I have my doubts.
You have
right?
your doubts.
So he might just try a few more of these, technical gizmos here and there in the hope that they will work. but he has been thoroughly disabused, unless he is neurotic and he doesn't see reality. He's so removed from reality
Right.
that it can't, it can only happen under acute mental stress. You see, the simple fact is your Chinese gizmos are not working. China के radar काम नहीं कर रहे साहब. They didn't work against Iran. They didn't work against India. China के PL-15 मिसाइल डर्ट की तरह फॉल कर रहे हैं. वहां से फायर कर रहे हैं पैनिक में फायर कर रहे हैं. They're either getting shot out of the skies here, or they don't work. I mean, their fuses don't work or whatever. यहाँ डट गिरे जा रहे हैं. भरा हुआ है पूरा यहाँ से पंजाब to Jaisalmer. We are getting dud.
And then question number 2 is, you've seen 71, you've seen 99. Under what conditions do these things close?
So closure, I'll tell you the closure matrix.
Yes.
United States of America. Marco Rubio is talking every day to the Pakistani foreign minister. ठीक है? National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has spoken to his counterpart, Yang Yi in China. And he's told them, tell these fools to lay off, otherwise they'll get had. And I'm sure you don't want them had fully.
Right.
So they can also put pressure beyond a certain point of time. अब नाक तो चीन की भी कट रही है ना
कि उनके weapon
कि
नहीं चल
हमारा
रहे।
एक वेपन सिस्टम तो सबसे बड़ा जंक है, इतने एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, अब कौन खरीदेगा कालिया? अब कौन खरीदेगा? They are also now losing face.
Right.
They are smart enough to understand.
नहीं,
And the
but sir-
longer this continues, the more they get exposed.
Right. नहीं,
Their
but-
weapons get exposed.
Guys, if you're interested in more content like this where it actually makes you think and explore how you think inside your head, dude, subscribe, man.